What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and the driver door intermittently locks and unlocks. Let's check it out. So we have the key right here. We should be able to lock and unlock the doors right here from this request button. It did something. It must be locked, but the door is not locking. Let's try it again. But this door is not responding. I'm hitting the lock and unlock. Clearly it's not moving. It's not responding. As you can see, it wants to try to move, but it can't. Looks like we have a suspect door lock actuator. This would connect to our lock unlock knob on the door, and we're going to test it now. As you can see, it's not moving. It's barely moving. It doesn't have enough juice to move it back and forth. Now with the new actuator installed, we clearly have action. Now when we hit the doors, she locks and unlocks.